Now let's come to the next point. Position of hydrogen is not clear. That is your first point. Now position of isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of the same element having different atomic masses but same atomic number. Okay, so that is called as isotope. You must have heard about C612, C614. C612, 6, what is 6? 6 is the atomic number. And what is this 12? 12 is atomic mass, 14 is atomic mass. How do you account for this 12? It is 6 plus 6. What does it mean? 6 protons and 6 neutrons. What is this 14? It is 6 plus 8. What does it mean? 6 protons and 8 neutrons. Okay, so isotopes, they differ in the number of neutrons inside the nucleus. Proton number will remain the same. Okay, now Mendeleev, he gave position to all the elements with different atomic masses, is it not? The table was arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass that you have studied. Now isotopes are having different atomic masses. तो कार्बन 12 को और कार्बन 14 को अलग अलग जगह मिलना चाहिए था, ठीक है, बट कार्बन इज प्लेस्ड इन ओनली वन प्लेस. ओके, so isotopes were discovered long after Mendeleev gave his periodic table. They were discovered later. At the time of Mendeleev, no isotope was known to anybody, right? Now what are isotopes? They are atoms of the same element having different atomic masses. Okay, so if Mendeleev has arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic mass, then C12 should be given a place and C14 should be given another place. But carbon is given only one place in the table. Okay. Now, in spite of having different atomic masses, why they were not given individual places? There was no answer for this question. Okay. So that is again a demerit. Then, dissimilar elements placed together. Now, what do you mean by dissimilar elements? That is, elements having different properties. Okay. Now you see again I'm showing you this. You have lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Okay. And along with that, you are having copper, silver, gold. Right. You know that copper, silver, gold, they are least reactive elements. And lithium, sodium, potassium, they are highly reactive elements. Now, both of them are totally different in their reactivity. Then how is it that they are placed together in the same group? Of course, subgroups different है, पर है तो एक ही group में, ठीक है? So dissimilar elements placed together, that is, most reactive elements are placed with least reactive elements. So this was also questionable. Everybody started questioning, why did you put it like this? He didn't have any answer. That again becomes a demerit. Then apart from that, wrong order of atomic masses of certain pairs. That is, the one with lower atomic mass and then higher atomic mass. Increasing order of atomic masses में आपने arrange करना है. तो lower atomic mass पहले आएगा, higher atomic mass बाद में आएगा. In that case, you check the position of tellurium and iodine and that of cobalt and nickel. I'm just giving two examples. Okay. Tellurium का 127.6 है, iodine का 126.9. So which one should come first? Iodine should come first, tellurium should come later. Same way, cobalt और nickel में से nickel पहले आना चाहिए था और cobalt बाद में आना चाहिए था. Now look at the position. Look here. Tellurium पहले आ रहा है, iodine बाद में आ रहा है. और atomic mass देखो, ये ज़्यादा है, ये कम है. और अरेंज कैसे किया इन्होंने? इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एटॉमिक मास में. यहाँ पे उल्टा है ना ऑर्डर, राइट? सेम वे हियर यू सी, आयरन, कोबाल्ट, निकल 58.9 पहले आ गया, 58.7 बाद में. लोअर एटॉमिक मास बाद में, हायर एटॉमिक मास पहले. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वायलेटिंग हिज ओन वे, इज इट नॉट? He said that I am arranging them in the increasing order of atomic mass. Then why did he place like this? Okay. Of course, he had reason, but that time he was unable to reason out all these things. So, wrong order of atomic masses of certain pairs, that is also coming under demerit. That is also coming under limitations of Mendeleev stable. Okay, so these 4 points are very important. What are the 4 points? Yes, the 4 points are: number 1, position of hydrogen. It is not definite. Number 2, position of isotopes. You have to briefly explain. Okay, I'm just giving you the points and you have to write it. Then dissimilar elements placed together, like lithium, sodium, potassium with copper, silver, gold. Okay, these are most reactive, these are least reactive. Why they are placed together? Then number 4, wrong order of atomic masses. Now here you can give the example of tellurium and iodine. Tellurium 127.6 and iodine 126.9. You can give one example. Okay, so you should know to write the points.